Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Booking.com. Adding a payment method on Booking.com allows you to secure bookings, pay for accommodations, and use options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or other methods. First of all, launch open the Booking.com app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Booking.com after logging in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Accounts. Inside My Accounts tab, scroll down to Payment Information and tap on Payment Methods. On the next page, you can go ahead and add a card. Tap on the Add Card button and then enter your card information on the next page. Enter your cardholder's name, card number, and expiry date for the card you want to add, and finally click on Save Card at the bottom to add a payment method on Booking.com. If you see any other payment methods supported in your region, you can also add that depending upon your choices. After you enter a payment method, you will then be able to pay for accommodations right from your mobile devices. So that's how you easily add a payment method on Booking.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.